Good morning, children. Welcome to the art class. Hope you all are enjoying art classes. Today we are going to do page number 6 and 7 of your book. This is page number 6, which you can see just now. On this page you have been taught a shading technique. You can see here there are steps given, 1, 2 and 3 steps. Steps for doing the shading are given. You can read them from the PDF which I will give you with this today, okay, with this video. You have to use this shading technique to complete next page of your book. Next page is like this. This is page number 7, which you have to complete. As you can see, one flower is already done for you. You have to color rest of the 3 flowers using your own choice of colors. Okay, and also the leaves also with light green and dark green shading you have to complete like this. Now I will show you how to color these flowers with the shading technique given on page number 6. First we'll do one petal with oil pastel. Okay, now I'll take yellow and orange color. Now you can see you have to do light color on top. So first we will do light color on top. Here I am using oil pastel colors, children. After doing light color, you will take dark color combination and then you will start upwards. Now when you are doing upwards, you have to overlap yellow color. Overlap the light color like this. If you want, you can also smudge it with the help of your finger. Then also it will look a very nice effect. Oil pastel colors have got the specialty, they can mix very easily with the other colors. Now you can see the effect. In the same way, we can do it with crayons also. Sorry children, I forgot to tell you, first you are supposed to do the outlining with a sketch pen or a felt pen. We will do the outline first like this. Then we will color. Okay. Like this. Now I will show you with plastic crayons. If you don't have oil pastel, you can do with plastic crayons also. These are plastic crayons. You can color like this with yellow color on top, and then you can take orange plastic crayon. You will give strokes upwards like this, and you have to overlap where the yellow color is there like this. Bring it upwards. Now you can see the effect. Both the colors are looking nice whether you do it with plastic crayons or with oil pastel. Okay, now we'll take another combination and I will show you 3 combinations for 3 flowers. Then you can use your own combinations afterwards. No need to follow the same. You can choose your own color combinations. Okay, I will do 2 petals in this also with pink and purple color. Now first we'll do light color. This is oil pastel, pink color here. Then from down I'll give upward strokes with purple color. Like this. You can take lighter pink also, then also it will look nice. In the same way with crayons, I will show you another petal with crayons. See, pink color, this is crayon. Like this, and then you will do purple color from the center like this. Bring it upwards like this, and you have to overlap where the 2 colors are meeting like this. Okay children, now one more color I will tell you, that is pink and light blue and dark blue. Now we'll do first outline. like this. After that you will do light blue color from here. This I am doing with crayon. And you will do dark blue color from the center like this, and you will overlap it where the two colors are joining, this way. Okay, in the same way now I will do with oil pastel. Oil pastels are very smooth, they can mix easily. Like this. If you want, you can smudge it with a finger like this. You can see the effect like this. In the same way you will do your leaves also. Now see, first we'll do outline of a leaf. Like this. After that we will color it light green from top. Like this. And then we will do dark green from this side and overlap the light green color. I hope you have understood how to give the shading now. And this basket is given below. In this there are different squares. You can see these squares are given. You have to color them with the colors of your own choice. The colors, if you are using oil pastel, you will use oil pastel in all the petals and also leaves and this basket also. If you are using plastic crayon, then you use plastic crayons everywhere. Okay children, so this way you have to color flowers with different colors and complete this drawing. I hope you will enjoy doing it. Okay, see you next time. Thank you. Have a nice day.